Well. This will be interesting. This board, despite of the condition, is working. I hope it will work inside the case too. We will see soon, I hope. I'm going to install. This is from MSI Creator 17. I'm trying to install this board inside MSI Katana GF66. Well, I don't know if it will work or not. I hope so, of course. But let's start taking the laptop apart and prepare it to accept the board. It's a banana shaped motherboard. We'll see. Oh, I don't know. Let me check if I can decrease the bit rate. Probably I can. I don't know how. Okay. Let's start. This laptop isn't working, of course, but it has everything inside, so the only thing is missing is the motherboard. Oh, well, better. It has a motherboard, but it's faulty. Let's see. Bunch of screws. Sorry, I'm trying to buy a Razer power supply from Vinted, because the one I fixed and used till now has finally broken. It wasn't a proper fix, so I need a new one. Original, of course, working. Yes, I found a good deal. I hope I'll get it. Okay, let's first compare the two motherboards. They should be compatible. It looks so. I cannot use this. And similar, but not the same. I don't know what's under this section. Okay, no problem. Let's continue taking out all the stuff here. One more screw. I had this laptop lying around since November. I think it was November. I tried to fix it, but I failed. Miserably failed. So here we are. We have the, yeah, there's its own Wi-Fi card. Okay, yes, for the battery. Not remember if I can take the board out without moving the heatsink. Probably no. Probably. I think there is a screw under the head pipes. Paint system. As the other one. Yeah, sticky. There are flux residues from my repair attempt. I'm messy, I know. Okay, the screw don't want to come out. Let's take it tweezers. Possible. Ah, come on. Yeah, done. Now this board I'm going to use its own one. Same for the power connector. What else? Nothing on this side. Let's try to flip the board. Oh. Here it is. Why I should remove the heatsink. Let's see if I can make enough space under the pipes. It seems I can. Not really. Yeah, I've done it. Okay. And the board is up. What a straight board. Especially compared this to this banana one. I see burns here. Let's hope it's not a problem. Get in. When I see Captain Tape, it makes me worry. It usually means the connector isn't working. We'll see. Okay, all the way in and done. Oh, we are almost there. Wow, it's proper bent. Yeah. But still, it fits not very well, but it fits. Oh, so the power cable is bent. Let me take the old one. Or maybe it's different. Not sure. Head out. Well done. Out with the old, in with the new. Screw it now. Well, yeah. Yeah, from the other board. Is slightly misaligned. Slightly. I mean, they are compatible. Should, I don't know if the problem is the board itself or the case. Doesn't seem to fit here. Okay, never mind. It fits. Now, this from was from this one, other board. Now, slowly and carefully, I will try to bend back the board. Not there. Not there. Where the hell? Yeah, for sure. Okay. Okay. There. The last one. Good. Let me use the bracket to secure the fan down. Okay. Okay. Pin cable. Need to rearrange this in a minute. It upside down. Yes. Because let's say the way around on the other one. So we have to find a way. Probably way. Yeah. Now I hate these connectors. They are my nemesis. Of course, they are not working. Oh, I'm not working. This way. Again. Yes. Yes. So the main. Okay. Okay. Something like that. Well, let's continue with the one. Hmm, there was already a screw there. Now, the battery. Okay, let's add some RAM. For gigs. Let me take this couple. This is 8 gigs. 4 gigs. Okay. 4, 8, 8. And then 16 somewhere. Maybe here. 16 and 16. Hmm, maybe it sells 32, 32. Oh, I see. 2 times 16. Okay. Gigs or RAM. Well, the moment of truth. Will it work? Let me plug the battery. I don't know if it has charged. No, I don't think so. Power supply. Starting. Will we have any image on the screen? I don't think so. Is the screen broken? Could be. Is the screen uncompatible? Also can be. Caps lock is responding, but the screen isn't working. Why? Because it is incompatible. Hey James, yeah, I'm live again with a not very interesting job, just a motherboard swap, but it is not displaying on screen, and this is weird because it worked on the HDMI. Let me try to increase the amperage. Okay, it was struggling keeping up mm, the, the laptop and charging the battery at the same time. Okay, let's switch off the, the laptop and try without one RAM stick. It was working with only one before through HDMI. If you go back and check the beginning of this live stream, I got this motherboard from eBay. It, it is MSI Creator 17. I'm trying to putting it inside the MSI Katana. Board are physically identical, but the screen is not working, and I don't know if the issue is with the screen or not. Let me plug back the HDMI cable and use it with my microscope. Just a moment. Anyway, how does the voice sounds? It's quite a bit better or not? You know, my microphone sucks and my voice sucks as well. And I'm trying to improve. Okay, it's working through HDMI. So we have an issue with the screen. Probably the screen itself. I cannot see any picture. It's not a backlight issue. Okay, I didn't expect it. This, but still, okay. Let me try the other RAM stick just to confirm they both works. Okay, on again. Oh, and they work. Oh, I don't know, James. I don't think it's a lead sensor issue because it is showing image through HDMI. I don't know if you can see it. So no, I don't think it's a lead sensor related issue. It could be as simple as a faulty screen. Let me just plug my usual USB drive with Windows on it and boot the system. I should have a replacement for this screen. I can take one from the dead one. This was so good. I think around 200 megahertz, so not bad. It's loading the window. So oh, it seems to be working. I'm watching my stream on my smartphone. There is a lot of delay between the real live stream and the actual stream on the platform. I don't know why. Maybe it's my it's not working. So, yeah, it's working. It's my internet connection. I don't know. See anything is too little. Oh, okay. I'm not sure about the ADP. I think so. I think only Asus has some sort of troubles displaying the BIOS through HDMI if the internal screen is connected. Mm, I'm quite sure I've done some MSI before without having an issue displaying the BIOS. So not sure, but I think it's okay. I cannot read anything on screen. It's too little. And I do. Okay, I shouldn't do anything. I should look at the screen issue before going on. So let me shut down the laptop. Okay, at least it is working and fits inside the case. Okay, let me disconnect both the driver and the HDMI. So with the battery plug-in, let's check for 19 on the screen connector. Rainbow DC. Proper hot. Oh, I didn't see the GPU fan spinning. I hope there isn't any issue there. This should be ground. Is 11.39, so the voltage is present. What about 3.3? and so on. Maybe not now because the laptop is off, of course. Let me reset the screen. Me also disconnect the CMOS battery. Maybe it's BIOS related. Come on, get out. Really? Okay. BIOS is reset. Let me check this cable first. Seems to be fine. We don't see any issue. What about the connector itself? Same. Looks good. So maybe the issue is at the screen itself. Yeah, James, I probably can see it there, but I cannot read anything because um, on the OBS uh, writing are too little. I really cannot read anything. So I should close the live stream and open the um, HDMI capture outside OBS to have it full screen. I can do it, of course, maybe later. Let me take out the bezel. Okay, it has been opened before for sure. It came out very easily, and it's also broken. Oh, you cannot see. Let me switch the scene. Okay, it's broken. So it has been opened. Yeah, slowly and gently. Yes, 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 and yes. Let's turn on the light. I cannot see anything. Slowly, also here. Okay. Mm. It, it has been taken apart before for sure. It's a mess. Okay, let's check the screen connector. Oh, it looks okay. Is the battery unplugged? Let me check. Yes, okay. Well, maybe slightly off on this side, maybe. Okay. Well, yeah, you're right, James. I should do it. Though I should be able to read the resolution settings, and I'm not sure. I'll do it for sure anyway, especially on that external drive that I use so often. Now, let's check again. Sorry if my answers are coming late, but again, I have a lot of lag between the real time and the live stream on YouTube. Hmm? Not coming on anymore. What's going on now? Okay, I had the BIOS reset. Maybe it needs external power. Okay, now it's coming on. We'll go through a CMOS reset. I'll plug back the BIOS battery again, so next time we won't wait so long. Still don't see any um, any picture. Because I can say now, I don't see any picture on screen. And I think the laptop is fully on. Okay, let's check the screen. Okay, seems fully in, right? Yeah. Okay, ground. We should have 19 here. What we do? 18, 18. Quite low. Okay, let's find the 3.3, probably here. Oh, maybe here. I don't want to mess too much with the screen while the power is on. Let me switch off the laptop. Okay, the GPU fan is spinning with syncing method. Okay. Back to the screen. Let me see if I have a replacement somewhere around here. Is this the same connector? Yes, it is. Good. Let's try this screen. It should be 60 hertz, 60 megahertz refresh rate. So not the best, but still, let's see if it works or not, and we start from there. Okay, without the battery. Power on. Still nothing. Okay. No. Am I sure about this screen? No, I'm not. This also could be broken. Okay, let's switch off again and work on the other one. Let's try to find the test points and start from there. Also doesn't seems to be backlight issue because I didn't see any picture. So I'm not sure. Okay. Let's open the screen. This side. Okay. Here it's better. I don't want to cut any flat cable if there is any. Okay. But I think test points are on the other side of this PCB. I think, yeah. All test points are here. Let's start with VCC in resistance mode. We have ground and VCC. Where are they? Here. Not sure. Let's check those signals. SCL, SDA. Not short. Not short. Don't know what this is, but still not short. The ground the best should be, it should be test ground probably. Mm. LID BCC. Here. The ground. Not short. Let PBMs. Are you with ground 19 kilo? Not short again. Oh, in between looks fine. Why aren't you showing any image? Let's check for voltages. Or maybe I should check for shorts with thermal camera. Mm. Doesn't seem to be really all the way in. Maybe this connector, this cable isn't perfect. cannot get it more in than this. Probably I'm mistaken. Oh, okay. I don't want to mess more than this. Okay. Yeah, I should change the scene. I know. I always forget to do it. What is the power jack? Over there. Okay. Laptop always starts by itself. It's weird. Maybe the battery is fully discharged. Can be. So, volt, let's see. Andiamo all'ID PWM, with ground, this ground is here, PWM plus 0 volt. Okay. LED VCC. '19. Okay, 19 is the input. After the inverter, it should be way higher than this. Let's check for signals where they are. VCC gain here 3.4. Let me swap the probes. Ground SDA 0, SCL 0. Okay. Must that become let me take another ground. Zero. SDA SCL. To test them again with another ground just to confirm the problem isn't my ground. I'm missing all the signals, and I'm not sure the LED enable. It's off. Do we have 3.3 somewhere around here? 19, 19. No. Let's try these pads. Nothing, 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 and nothing. Volt 3.4. BCC 3.4. I mean, it should be 19 or something like that, no? I think so. Okay. Let me check with the thermal camera if anything is getting hot. Nothing. Let me check if it's really not a backlight issue. Nah. Okay. Laptop is up. Let me finish this back and check the inverter. Okay, on again. It has started by itself another time. I should check the BIOS battery. Okay, I think here is the inverter for the backlight. Volt 19. It's not boosting. Okay. Anything got here? Maybe without the cap. No. Okay, off again. Let's check for fuses if there are any. That one is a fuse. Infinity mode. This is good. It doesn't say fuse, but still, it's okay. Oh, we have another coil here. Another fuse. Check for the fuse first. Oh, this fuse is gone. Okay. Because the output of this coil is shorted. No, not. Let's check the fuse itself for resistances. Oh, okay. 2.8 ohm. And before it was 5K. Okay. We do have a short here. Yeah, here. Okay. Let's inject something there, or maybe should check the resistance with the cable unplugged like this, and check again to confirm the problem is not the cable. We ground till 2.8. Okay. Now let's inject something there. 1.5 volts, it's okay. Let me decrease the current. 7 amps, it's a bit too much. Okay, now ground. Where is my fuse? Here. 500 milliamp with 1 volt and a half. Let me take the thermal camera and switch the scene. So we should be able to see something. Maybe. No. Well, let's do this way. Here. And what is getting got is one chip. this GD and something. Is that right? Let me take the macrolen. No, for PR. It's getting hot. And I obviously don't know what the chip is doing. Anything else? Okay. Yes, I know it GFix I'm missing both backlight and picture, but still it's I'm not sure if it's a screen issue or a motherboard issue, and I don't know if the delay is as much as oh sorry, if the delay is not pointing you at the moment I found the shorted fuse and IC on the screen PCB. So it seems it is a screen issue, at least with this screen. At least I do understand what this that IC is doing. If it is some sort of protection, no, no. That is coil. It is, and seems to be short. Yeah. So this could be the driver of this coil, and the output of this coil is shorted. Yeah, 2.5. I should inject there and see what gets hot. Yeah, no, GFix is not you behind. It's my probably my connection. I don't know if I had to decrease the bit rate of the stream or simply it is what it is. I don't know. Again, let me inject that coil and be sure the problem is not the chip. Where are we? Yeah, okay. Again, 1.5 volts. Thermal camera on. I don't know if you can see through the microscope. Let me try injecting here. Not. I cannot stick the probe there. Okay, yeah, I can. Okay, still the chip. And something else. Yeah, the main chip. Okay, this screen is mm, the F word. Okay, oh, I need the good screen. A screen I can trust. And I think I don't have any. Where can I get one? Or at least a broken one with backlight working. Hmm. Easy to say, hard to do. Okay, there's nothing I can do right now. I could try to look for the same screen among my faulty ones. I have two boxes of faulty screens, and I should have something that's partially working. Okay, well, I have to stop here the stream because I cannot go further, and it's useless keeping you in front of the screen. So, GFix, thanks to be here. Let me know how the volume was, if it was better or worse or the same as before, just to understand if increasing the gain inside OBS works or not. Okay, and then again, thank you to be here, and see you on your Discord, and I hope on your part 3 of the laptop repair, the one from Joy. Hey, see you, my friend.